Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Ahmad D. Robi Harahap, mahasiswa Politeknik LPP Yogyakarta semester 5, jurusan Budidaya Tanaman Perkebunan Diploma 4 dengan NIM 1805069. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang Indonesia palm oil increasing become the mainstay of national economy. Today, Indonesia palm oil has grown to become the most important part of the world. In terms of palm oil production, Indonesia is currently number one and has defeated Malaysia. Of the 64 million tons of world palm oil production, Indonesia accounts for more than half of it, namely 35 million tons. Indonesia accounts for 54% of world palm oil production. Palm oil has not only been transformed into the most important contributor to the country's foreign exchange from an ever-increasing export value, but has also become a regional dominator, absorbing labor force and elevating poverty in rural areas. Oil palm has grown from an area of 300.000 hektar in 1980 to currently 16,1 juta hektar according GAPKI data. With CPO production of 40 million tons, it should be stated that the share of smallholder plantation continues to increase, and currently it has become 52% of the total plantation area. The total area of smallholder plantation is thought to have reached 9 million hectare, no longer 6 million is often reported. Meanwhile, the total area of state-owned oil palm plantation is relatively small, namely only 515 hektar. This sustainable Indonesian palm oil scheme has strong income on various sides, namely the permit system and plantation management, the application of technical cultivation, environmental mentoring, responsibility for works, community economic environment, community social responsibility, and sustainable business important. So far, the hard effort to formulate a sustainable palm oil plantation scheme and its implementation have resulted in achievement as a country with the largest certified sustainable palm oil production in the world. Of all certified palm oil production in the world, Indonesia contributes 59%, while Malaysia only 27%. There are many problems currently facing oil palm commodities, especially the status of plantation land tenure. It is estimated that 1,7 juta hektar of smallholder palm oil land are currently not in clean and clear status, both from the legal status of ownership and land designation. There are approximately 13,5% atau 1,5 juta hektar of oil palm land currently located on peatlands. Deforestation due to oil palm expansion cannot be ignored. Facing this challenge, various policy support are needed. The speakers note that there were 9 policies needed, namely 1. Increasing the productivity of smallholder oil palm plantation through the replanting program. 2. Providing certified palm seeding. 3. Increasing finally access to smallholder through community land certification programs. 4. Increasing added value through downstreaming. 5. Stabilizing price through increasing domestic and regional market. 6. Diplomacy and cooperation in investment and trade. 7. Improving infrastructure and trade facilitation. facilitation. 8. Data and information. And 9. Strengthening farmer organization and businessmen. Thank you.